Tasty solutions for diabetes breakfast. Nutrition and physical activity are important parts of a healthy lifestyle when you have diabetes. Along with other benefits, following a healthy meal plan and being active can help you keep your blood glucose level, also called blood sugar, in your target range. To manage your blood glucose, you need to balance what you eat and drink with physical activity and diabetes medicine if you take any. What you choose to eat, how much you eat, and when you eat are all important in keeping your blood glucose level in the range that your healthcare team recommends. The key to eating with diabetes is to eat a variety of healthy foods from all food groups in the amounts your meal plan outlines. The key to take balanced carbs and protein content is to take reasonable portions. Now, let us prepare a diabetic breakfast diet. Vanilla Crunch Parfait. It got a nice balance of carbohydrates and proteins. For this, we need low-fat cheese, vanilla-flavored yogurt, walnuts, flax seeds, kiwi fruits, and papaya and black grapes. Take a blender jar, add half cup of cottage cheese. The reason we are adding cheese here is people with diabetes need a high balanced meal for breakfast. Protein should be added to your breakfast. And add half cup vanilla flavored yogurt and blend well until it gets smooth. Cut all the fruits into fine slices. Now, take a serving glass and add 1 ounce of finely blended cheese yogurt mixture. Now, add some walnuts, some flax seeds, now some fresh fruits. Now, add again some yogurt mixture, walnuts, flax seeds, papaya pieces, grapes, kiwi pieces. Top up with some yogurt mixture, walnut and some flax seeds. Yummy, delicious, tasty diabetes breakfast is ready. Take this weekly to get rid of diabetes. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.